Magic Flute was funny and generally amazing.
It was lovely. There's a lot of humour. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it all.
Gwych, iddo, accessible cyberpunk.
I don't think I'll ever watch an opera that will top that.
It was amazing. The costumes were gorgeous. The setting was really different, actually. I wasn't expecting that.
It's definitely easier to engage with it being in English, and the translation's definitely more approachable. I think the plot was much easier to follow, which was really nice.
It was just an experience, total experience. They were real characters and you felt all their emotions, and it was like, oh, what have I just seen? You know, that was incredible.
I think the lighting was incredible in this production. I think the way that they used the lights to display different emotions and everything was used really effectively.
I thought that their birds were really cool and that they had different colours for the different times, like the day and the night. I thought it was really clever how they managed to get the same set and move them around to make different sets.
Nes I really licio poblogaidd hynna. O'n i'n licio siwt rhannu sort of rhwng caneuon lle oedd yn eitha sort of oedd e tyma bach mwy fel sgwrs.
If you haven't seen the Magic Flute before, it would be quite hard to top this one. It was very enjoyable to watch. I'm glad I came.
You should come and see this production, because if you think you've seen the Magic Flute before, this is gonna totally rock you. It's gonna be a huge surprise, and it will make you see it in a totally different light.